How to favorite someone on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and then go to the profile of the person that you want to favorite. Say for example this one. Once you're on the profile, click on the drop down that says following, which is next to the message option, and a pop-up menu will appear at the bottom, from which you want to click on the option that says add to favorites with a star next to it. And that's simply how you can add people to your favorites. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add accounts or favorite accounts in Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.